Assalamualaikum my dear students. Hope you are enjoying my digital lectures. I am Fariha Sufyan, your mathematics teacher. I warmly welcome you all on the platform of digital academics provided by Moonlight International Publishers. Today my topic is LCM by prime factorization method. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to find LCM of 2 and 3 numbers up to 2 digits using prime factorization method. Now we are going to find out the LCM of given 3 numbers. Here the example is, you can check the example and remember that we are going to use the prime factorization method to find out the LCM. Now we will find out the LCM of given 3 numbers. Here is the example: 64, 48 and 96. First I am going to find out the prime factors of all of these given 3 numbers. First number I will take 64. 64, 2. I am going to divide this number by 2, which is a prime number. So 2 I will write over here and then I am going to divide it. 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. So I will write 32 over here. Now I will divide the number 32 by the prime number, which is 2. So I will write 2 over here and I am going to write down 2 1s are 2 and 2 6 are 12 over here. So 16 will come over here. Now I am going to divide the number 16 by the number 2. 2 8s are 16. Now again this number 8 by the number 2. 2 4s are 8. Now again we are going to divide the number 4 by the number 2. 2 2s are 4. Now this 2 is a prime number, so I am going to write 2 1s are 2, and we are going to stop the process because we got the number 1 over here. Now these all numbers are prime numbers, so we are going to say that we are going to write it down like prime factorization of 64 is equals to 2 multiplied by 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 2. How many 2's are over here? Yes, we have total 6 2's over here. So my dear students, we are going to write down in a product form. Now I am going to find the prime factorization of the number 48. To find it out, I am going to divide this number by number 2 so that I will get the prime numbers. Now you know that 2 2's are 4 and 2 4s are 8. So the number will come 24 will come over here. Now I am going to divide the number 24 by 2. So 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4, means 12 will come over here. Now again I am going to divide this number 12 by the number 2. 2 6 are 12. Now I am going to divide this number 6 by the number 2 and 2 3s are 6. Now this 3 I am going to divide it by 3 because 3 1s are 3 and this is the final number which we want actually. So these all are prime numbers. So we are going to write it down as a product so that we are going to get the prime factorization of the number 48. So we will write prime factorization of 48 is equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Now I am going to find out the prime factorization of the number 96. So I will divide it by the number 2. 2 4s are 8 and now this is 16. 2 8s are 16. So we will write the number 48 over here. Now we are going to divide this number 48 by the number 2. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. So we are going to write the number 24 over here. Now divide this number by 2. We will get 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. Now we are going to divide the number 12 by 2. 2 6 are 12. So we are going to write number 6 over here. Now we are going to divide this number 6 by 2 again, and 2 3s are 6. So we are going to write the number 3 here. Now again you know it, 3 1s are 3 and you are going to write the number 1 over here and 3 over there. Now this is the final number 1. So we are going to stop the procedure because there is nothing to be divided. Now we are going to take all of these numbers which are prime number and write these numbers as a product of all prime numbers as a prime factorization. Now we will write prime factorization of 96 is equals to 2 multiplied by 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 3. Now we are going to find out the common factors in all of these 3 numbers. So here you can see these 3 numbers which are 2. Now check it out. This number 2 is common in all of these 3 numbers. Number 2 is common in all of these 3 numbers. Again, number 2 is common again in all of these 3 numbers. So totally you can see that the number 2 is common here again and again. So means there are 2 is common. How many times common? 4 times common. So I can write it down as a product. Product of common factors is equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. That is total. We have 4 numbers with a multiplication sign. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 8 2s are 16. We will write 16 with equality sign. Now I will write product of non-common factors is equal to 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Whatever is repeating 2 times in different numbers, I am going to write it once. So I will write the number 3 once and the right number 2 once. But there is the number 2 here. You can see this is the only number which is not repeating in the other numbers. So that is why I will take it as it is. Now I will write the complete product of non-common prime factors is equal to 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to, as you know that 3 2s are 6 and 6 2s are 12. So I will write number 12 over here. As you already know that LCM is equals to product of common and non-common prime factors. So that is why we are going to write it down as 16 multiplied by 12. So 16 multiplied by 12 is 192. So that is why we got the answer 192. This is the final LCM. Hope the concept is clear to you guys. We'll get back to you with more interesting concepts of mathematics. Till then, take good care of yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz.